what is the structure and function of bone? Well, there are many different types of bone. There's long bone, there's short bone, there's flat bone, and there's irregular bone. All structured somewhat similarly. All contain a dense outer layer called compact bone or tissue for strength and protection. Tube-like structures called osteon run through the length of compact bone. And these provide oxygen and nutrients to bone cells. The other part of bone, either located at the ends or even at the center of bone, is spongy bone, or sometimes called cancellous tissue. This is much less dense. This part of bone contains cavities that contain bone marrow, instead of being fed by a system of osteons. In the center of this bone is this cavity containing different types of bone marrow. One is called red and one is called yellow. Marrow is basically the site for the production of blood cells. You may have heard of a tissue called cartilage. This is a type of skeletal tissue that acts as a cushion between bones at the joints. Cartilage helps bones maintain a certain shape and flexibility. Other than joints, cartilage can be found on the ears, the nose, and in the anterior portion of the ribs. So buildings and bridges have our bones to thank for their impeccable design. This lattice structure in bone helps basketball players stress their bodies over and over again without harm. And you can learn more about these fascinating structures in other videos.